Hello, my name is Andrés, and I am going to tell them the life of the birds. In the world, there is some for his own happy. The characters of the birds are flyers, and the majority are carnivores. The birds are different. For example, the feathers are different colors and large. The beaks are of different forms, large, and two of different weights. The nest and the eggs of the birds too are different. The comparates. This is cockatoo, hummingbird, toucan, and ostrich. The ostrich is bigger than the toucan, but the hummingbird is less big than the other birds. The beak of the toucan is the largest of the birds, but the cockatoo is wider than the toucan. The cockatoo and the toucan flyer than the ostrich, but the ostrich is the fastest of the other birds. The egg of the cockatoo is bigger than the hummingbird, but the egg of the ostrich is biggest than the other birds.